And we are going camping. I fell asleep. We were supposed to leave a long time ago, but I don't know what happened. I guess we'll catch you back when we're at the camping. Guess where we at? Bing bong. We at Wasaga Beach.
Okay,
Just
are we
joking.
gonna go or what?
Okay, yeah, sorry. Oh my god. Where we at? Where we at? Julie?
This is yours?
Sister, because we want to throw football, play some volleyball.
Who's that?
See my castle?
Wait, Jason? You been with the guy? No, but I'm pretty sure Papa just set up that orange tent, so I don't think it was supposed to be for Papa Long. They're not.
This is the residence of the Manansala Russell.
That's huge.
Yeah.
And we got...
Did you always have that?
Yo, who is
tent?
this?
My name?
Yeah.
I'm Jaquiz. You know, like.
Sheesh.
Built in.
Not gonna lie. You need a tarp, buddy. Stent's naked.
Is it gonna red?
So that was Russell's. Who's this? This is the other Manansala.
Wow, nice.
Shh, don't wake her up. Shh, 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 shh.
I know. Is this your tent too?
Hello? 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 She's not waking up. Oh yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday. No way.
Or give the airport.
Boom, about to get hit. See me? I'm on a mission. Yes, they're playing volleyball. Volleyball? Nah, spike ball. Spike ball or volleyball? Should I bring out the spike ball or what?
Wait, we're gonna choke. We're gonna choke.
Who? That's a lift, bro.
Foul! 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 Because it hit the side.
Our third.
Yeah.
Is that the rules of the game?
No, we just made it up for good.
That's not point, right?
So, the plan is find everyone because I'm by myself. They have a banana to my name. Walking, my pants are falling. So I got a freaking water bottle in my pants. It's falling down. So, the goal is find these guys. Oh, there's one right there.
Mr. Fogger in the building. Kaiser. Long hair, dresser in the building, man. Kaiser. Simple.
My pants are falling.
Really? Yo, can I go on a vlog here next week?
I did. I put it on my head and I was biking.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me get one.
You want one?
Yeah. What the fun?
Wait, I have to show these guys though. So we have to introduce Mr. Jokis.
Who put spaghetti on the football?
I guess you could say.
This is all they got for ice.
No, there's more.
Oh, there's more.
I guess you can say this is the icebreaker.
Ooh. Oh, that hurt me.
Russell is so cheesy.
But also such a lover boy.
So volleyball.
Huh?
Volleyball.
Yeah, later.
Before it gets dark.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, let's go.
See? So. Oh, I should have got a bike. Everyone got a bike.
Who was driving? Are you vlogging?
Yes, sir.
Rika and who? No, actually.
Check the hat though.
Dang. Is that hat extra small or are you extra big? Alright, bye. Are you envious? Is that why?
Hell yeah, I'm envious. Look at my shit dive every 20 minutes.
Yeah, you wish, huh?
Yeah.
Is it like a field? Is it like a field?
Yeah.
What do you mean time?
Like, just say 1 second and I'll give it back.
No, 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 no. Okay,
It's
ready?
the same thing.
No, no. Like that.
Whoa!
That's good enough.
Jason, me.
I'm stingy with my water now because it's cold. It's I went to work before this.
Said there's hiking.
Huh?
Said there's hiking.
I don't know. Is there? I think so.
Hey.
Hey yo.
Literally just woke up, bro. Didn't brush last night. It's crazy. About to go right now. I think it's like 10 o'clock. Hungry. There's hiking trails, apparently. I'll go hike, so we'll see. I go brush, eat. Let's see. All the parents are out there. They're cooking. You go interrogate those two little boys that were making a ruckus last night, bro. These guys woke up the dogs like 3 times and the dogs just kept barking. Yeah, I'm tired. And brush. Fucking stole their chicken.
My mom.
This girl copied me, bro. She literally has my pants on. She literally has my pants on, bro. I'm right here. Same shirt, same pants, everything, bro. And I gave her that shirt. So basically, that's my fit. Look at her. Exactly. These guys are awake? Oh, they are. They're right here.
There's chicken wings there?
Yeah.
Lunch? You're gonna eat breakfast?
Yeah, over here. There's bacon and eggs over there. We went over there. You know what they said? They said all the food's done.
Okay, look.
For a pan. All I remember.
All I hear is the dogs are barking there. They were barking on there. I thought
Bro,
I thought somebody woke. They're just,
Benji just like.
and then I hear these two little voices whispering. They're like, yo, shush. They're like, they're right beside our tent, and then they go, no, bro, we have to kill him, bro. I think they're talking about Ella,
Yeah.
cause you kept barking.
There's like nothing to bro.
Bro, you know they're over here cooking hot dogs? It was 3 in the morning. They were out here for like what, 30 minutes trying to cook hot dogs.
They're like, yo, you want some hamburgers? And I was like, I was debating if I wanted to eat.
But I told them to stay because I didn't want to sleep long.
No, I was dying though, bro. So they cook in here and they were like, oh, we're gonna have to go back. And I didn't believe them that Ella would just bark. And
Yes, bro.
So then we're on the
They just
driveway
kept
here.
barking.
Yeah, no, I was with them. And then we went to the driveway. Jared's like, okay, I'll go in alone so we don't like laugh. He goes, he's running like the oils. He puts it down. Is it white?
Chaos.
Where are they frying?
Is there tables there on the shed like sticky or anything?
About to go wake up these little kids. These little boys that was out.
Wake your bitches up, boy. Shut up. Wake your bitches up, boy. Wake your bitches up, boy.
Wait, tell me if I'm good.
Okay. Note down. She looks so grumpy. Wake your bitch ass up, boy. Bye, we're going.
Went on a hike.
Now he's waking up.
Go eat.
For real. Oh my god, shit.
Alright, Mrs. JR. Get up, we're going on a hike. Hello. Yo, it's 4 o'clock already. You guys slept the whole day.
Who's in there?
Everyone.
Me too. My air mattress deflated.
Get up.
Just let them sleep.
Erica woke up again when I went to get my cards and went right back to sleep.
Hey, I look busted. Oh my god, I look busted. Ugly ass. Just wiped his nose.
Oh my goodness, Gio. You didn't hide too well, did you? Okay. Oh, what did he do? You did hide. I didn't even find it yet. Where's Ashley?
Oh,
Can you see Ashley this week? I see her.
Where is Ashley?
I can't see the
oh shit.
Anyone there? Yeah.
We
She's a
got
good hider, Gio, huh? We need to find her. Come on, let's go find her.
here.
Come on, let's go.
He's munching on that.
Wait, where's Ashley?
For real, bro. Both of them
You
are
guys see
eating.
Ashley?
in the chair, Gio.
There's no one here. There's no one there.
We got Miracle. Miracle.
Might be invisible. Or is she a really good hider?
We got number 2 monster eating.
Wait, I see her now. Huh, you beat Gio. She beat you.
Yeah, so who would be the count now?
You.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yo, we should do the ending like this.
Do I look colored?
Spraying the.
Wait a minute. I'm not saying that there's a lighter here or anything, but they're going like this and
You think
there's
it'll
a.
catch? Yeah, for sure. Will it catch on me? Yeah.
It said
Put it
wall.
on you.
Somebody has it over there, I think.
But I'm down to walk though.
You put it on. Why is it going out? Oh, that's hot.
It was hot. I did. Where's Ryan?
Where are we going? Volleyball. You're hot, huh?
Oh no.
You're hot, huh?
Fuck each other.
Oh yeah.
Stop. There's still Indians here. This guy's fried. Oh god.
Good job, Gio.
Okay, rebounder. I think that's what it's called. Oh. Yeah, this guy's calling him Rudy, but
Oh my god, bro. Wait, your titties are falling out. Show the tighten the top. Tighten the top.
Holy moly.
Good. What do you think? A lot.
No.
Hey, don't touch him.
Yeah, yo.
You're brown!
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, throw it.
Wait, why is that actually looking like?
Just to impress?
Huh?
Just to impress?
Just to impress.
Oh, that game. Huh? Yeah, I love that. Just finished volleyball. This guy's playing with fucking trays.
Yo, is this on at night?
Yeah.
It's on at night.
Dang, saying it has bare battery. What is this girl eating?
Try what? But like, don't you want to prioritize your dog? Oh, so good.
What are these guys yapping about?
Russell.
Hi, Neil. Hi, Neil. Where's Rosie?
Big ol' fart.
I know.
Ew!
Ew.
What? You're not even sweaty. Okay, wait, you guys are just eating.
There's another shirtless guy over there. His titties are going up and down. Stop.
On you, Russell. On you, Russell.
One dead. Titties are going up and down. Huh?
Why is Cleo run like that?
Again.
Yeah, it's
He's
Jason.
supposed to be.
What?
Jason's supposed to be, yeah.
One, two, three, hot.
Oh.
Back to me now. And Gyra.
Just go.
Hi. Oh.
Sup, Neil? No water. Sup, Neil? Can you do that? No, I have no chest. I have no chest.
The fuck? Now do it like The Rock. Can't do the other one. He can't.
Oh!
Damn, he bad at throwing.
You're supposed to go over here. Oh, I mean 5, I mean? Dog, sit! What?
Nowhere. I'm like glue.
Yo, am I like...
Yeah, you're just bad at
No.
throwing.
Wait, I
No, I had the same thing because
Yo, let me in.
you expect them to run, but
Yes!
they have to walk
Oh,
the
that's
whole time.
why. I forgot. What is this?
No, when you're just being too big.
Remember when we fell down here? Down this yes! Take it this way. Walk. You want it straight. I want it like I want this close.
I forgot! Yo, it's so hard to do it.
QB?
You want to be QB or
Yeah. Oh yeah. What am I
I want you to do, right?
God damn, Duster, you're so freaking white.
Locks right here.
You're so white. Ew, and wet.
Bro,
Yeah, ew.
I biked the whole trail.
Really? Is that why you took
One
one?
of the trails. I didn't bike the whole lake though.
Yeah, I was looking for you.
I cut into the boardwalk.
You didn't even tell me.
Boom, boom, boom.
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Got you.
With another video.
Back with another banger video.
Okay.
Man,
what
and
we got
today
here?
we got Your Rage Gaming up in here. They call me YRG Irico. The Your Rage. Your Rico Gaming.
What's YRG?
Oh, Your Rico Gaming.
Yeah.
Let me show you how to do it.
Let me see what you got. What is it? Right here? Oh yeah, this one. This one, no chance, bro. You know this guy said to you?
What?
He said you said you suck, bro.
Who said that?
The log, bro. He's gonna break. You have to go strong, bro.
Harder?
Yeah, hard.
I need glasses.
It's not moving though. Alright, go. Dang, bro.
Is that bad?
Not too bad, but not enough power.
Gazer.
Alright, back with another video.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Yeah, alright.
Welcome back to another banger video, man. New haircut, so in the building, man.
What they call you?
Simple.
What they call you?
Nature Rico in the building, man. Gazer. Alright, y'all. Today we gonna be cutting some wood up in here.
Yeah, they need wood. They need wood. So
Yeah, they need
called
wood,
you
so I
up.
got it. Bob, watch
They
this.
called you up.
It's like he's throwing it.
Not like that. Kailangan you have to lie down. You have to lie down
From the bottom, right?
the wood.
From here?
Standing like that. You have to lie down like that.
Stay it.
No, that's dangerous.
In half?
No,
Like this?
get away, yeah. Be careful. You want me to do it? Let me see. Let me see.
Okay, we're cool in the building.
Demo. You need a demo?
I'm humble.
Try this one.
Oh, that's easy. Come on. Will you hold it like this? Or hold like this?
Again, yeah.
Yo. Hospital.
Wait, no, that's actually bad. I feel bad.
What hospital?
Yo, what?
That's like a YouTuber. Alright.
Alright, this the real pro right here. It's the real pro right here. Yeah, it's okay. You weren't trying for real, bro.
Like this.
You weren't trying for real. Oh yeah.
I cannot do it, but
Yeah.
Bro, your eye.
Oh
Like
my
that.
god.
You do it? But what if you miss?
then you miss.
Okay, I understand now. Watch your leg, Papalin.
Mahirap yata eh.
That's wrong.
Let me see.
Me? No,
Oh,
Dad,
he
don't
said
do
that's
it.
the
You
pro.
don't know how, man.
He said he's a pro.
Dad, you're gonna cut your leg off.
No, don't worry about me. But this one is very hard. At niya kaya kasi ko naman ay masyasagay no? Let me.
Dad, bro.
Don't worry, Erico. Don't worry.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm doing min bako, Erico. I'm expert.
Marcus, close your eyes.
Oh, almost. See that? Almost. See that? See the way I do? See? And then? Do it like this. And then nothing.
3.
No, at niya kasing buko, oh.
I know, that's why it's hard.
You have no muscle.
Alright, got it. Now I understand.
I was to do this back home. I was strong. Now I'm
Strong
old,
guy.
right?
Strong boy.
See that? See that? You can do that? Oh my God, there you go. Look.
You are not him.
I told you, your dad is there.
Just flexing on me.
He cooked on a car. He cooked.
You cooked him? You cooked him?
He cooked him.
Man, it's not my forte. It's not my. It's not my. It's not in my arsenal.
He wasn't trying for you, that's why.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, he wasn't trying for you.
Yeah.
That's why. Sorry. It's okay, guys. Maybe next time. Later. Ooh, later.
No, that's dangerous. I'm done.
Later,
I'm quitting.
bro.
I'm retiring.
Later, bro.
I don't want to quit.
Retire. We didn't even start yet.
No, we gotta stop, bro.
We even started.
I don't want to like cut off my legs.
Yo, dealer lost the job, bro.
No,
he's actually
the house always wins. Don't worry. Bow. This is what I do. I make you guys happy. Buddy, and look at this. It all, yeah, I strip it all away from you.
Yeah, how much
I
do you have?
strip it all away
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No,
7, 8, 9,
25,
10, 11,
I'm
12.
gonna strip all of that happiness away.
Yeah, 1, 2,
That's what the house
4,
does.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's at
Ooh, that's
Jim's house.
250.
donors.
That's 250
Ready?
right here.
You guys ready? Marcus,
250.
No, please.
10.
Come on, Jack. Give me a
Yo, he has 20 though.
Blackjack,
17,
boy. Come on.
18.
This is 17?
Ooh, not good, not good.
Nobody. It's okay. Oh my god.
What are you guys playing?
Blackjack. You took a shower?
17.
Oh wait, 17.
17.
Stand?
on 17?
Stand?
18?
Hits.
Yeah.
Plus.
15?
What's this?
Give me your money.
It's not bust yet,
Oh,
dummy.
it's not blood. What am I? It's like, give me a face card, bro. What's the odds?
You play. 15 you play.
You?
Yeah.
You? Absolutely
Don't
beautiful.
play, don't play, don't play.
What do you mean?
Don't
Give me
play.
your money. I told you. Give me a strip all your happiness. Ah, you're in debt.
Yo,
This
we
is
back,
my house. This is my house.
Yo, we back, baby.
We back, baby. This is my house. But you know,
I just bet.
I'm gonna give you a coin.
I just bet my daughter's
I'm gonna give you a coin.
tuition and my son's.
Wait, oh yeah.
Okay.
Yo, I seen that.
What do you mean?
I seen
What
that.
did he do then?
Security. Security. Alright, ready?
Where?
Where? You guys ready?
Yeah, bro.
No, we played 3 hours and 30 minutes of werewolf.
I cooked.
A lot of cooking, a lot of allegations that were true.
Did werewolves ever win except for me?
Yeah, another one.
Oh yeah.
Who?
I don't know.
No, we lost. They lost.
And now we're just cooling by the fire. A lot of people already went.
I actually wish I had a hot dog right now.
Yeah, they had the chicken fries.
Sir, why didn't you eat it after the green barbecue? You know they're gonna.
Because I took a shower and then we played for 3 hours.
That's
You
true.
could have.
Because I just ate it.
You drunk? No,
Yeah, like an hour.
but barely.
Oh, shoot. Oh, it sounds like a scary story. Alright, you can talk. You can't hear.
We just finished.
Just talk.
I don't want to talk.
Okay, talk. Okay. No, but like use like this voice.
I know.
Okay, you don't have to whisper. Okay, go. Oh, sorry.
Close.
It's too dark. Okay, ready. Scary story in 3, 2. Alright, what are we doing?
I was just saying that we finished our campfire.
Yeah, I mean, I could have stayed out there.
Hot dogs. No, I didn't want to. I'm tired.
Yeah, I asked Jared to cook me some hot dogs. He left, so I cooked the hot dogs.
No, I'm hungry.
You're hungry now?
No.
Yeah, I was hungry, bro. I was so hungry.
I'm tired. That's what I meant.
It's freaking light. It's curfew at 10, bro. Who does that?
Everyone's sleeping.
Yeah, bro.
Freaking if we make noise, the dogs will fucking bark. I swear to God. We hung up our towels.
They can't hear you.
Oh, we hung up our towels.
Yeah, because they're a little wet still. We took shower in the evening. Yeah. The fresh pack, smell it? Oh. This girl cut herself. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah. We opened a new pack. I would show it, but wrapper's right here, bro. Alright, I'm about to. Where's my pillow?
I feel like this isn't a new fresh from tap. Fresh.
Alright, that's what they do. You do a
31%, bro.
You don't know who Ivy is?
Another day, another dollar.
Another dollar.
Yup, we just finished playing cards. And my thing's at 31%. And then we got this. The dogs. Here.
Say it again.
Where's? We got here. Bambakla. It's not funny anymore. Bambakla.
Are you sure? Ella. Look at Ella Bella. Ella Bella. Say hi to the camera, Ella Bella. It's okay. Neil's just all talk. Right? Unless you actually bite her. Yeah. Good eats. There's some hot dogs, chicken. Ella! Hi, baby! You scared?
Stop it! Stop barking! Smelly chicken! No!
Ella is nervous.
Yeah, she's low-key like...
Neo's stronger, that's why.
So maybe she has to humble... Yeah.
He got comfortable.
Yeah. Because her growl was different. Yeah. It's okay, Ella.
Where's Jason?
Go humble him. You have to do your scary growl. That's why. You have to do your scary growl to humble him.
You should know how.
I know.
You're too nice.
You're bigger than him.
Barks is because
She's just bored.
Who am I airdropping you to?
Yes, camping. Sunday. Day Sunday.
Woody.
It's a big one. It's not like the yeah.
Woody. The spider. Yo, you see how his leg is?
I like the mix. The green ones, none of them are nasty.
Hey,
What? I know. I didn't read the flavor.
it's like dragging.
Really?
Oh, it's still attached?
It's good though.
I
thought it was blueberry. No.
Alright, so what? Oh, this is science again.
Yeah, science. Hey guys, back here with Rye Guy, the science guy.
Yeah. So what are we doing?
Play with the front.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, so.
So you see, we got a spider here, right?
Oh, we caught a spider, yup.
Yep. So what
Still
we're gonna
alive,
do?
still alive, clearly.
Clearly moving. What I'm gonna do is gonna twist the bottle, make a little vacuum. Oh, the
Wait,
water
there's a
bottle.
hole.
This water bottle has a hole.
New bottle.
New water bottle.
New bottle.
So we're gonna put him. We gotta transfer him.
Yeah, transfer.
We're gonna transfer him.
1-to-1.
But yep,
Oh,
there you
perfect.
go. Perfect.
So we can see.
Yeah, he's clearly
Test-
there.
Test subject is
Test.
clearly alive.
This is the test subject 101.
One. Oh,
Oh, sorry.
100
No,
times.
no. I mean 001.
001.
Okay.
Right
What
there.
I'm gonna do is make a little vacuum. Twist the bottle. Okay, still there.
Big pressure.
Big pressure. Big pressure. There.
And then the next step is
The next step is.
it's pretty a lot of pressure.
So this is.
So the next step is yeah.
Yeah.
Not here.
But look, he's chilling in there, right? You
He's
see
chilling.
it? Chilling.
He's chilling.
Alright, ready?
Question is, does he fly out?
That's what we're trying to find out.
Do we point it down?
No, I think we point it up.
Oh, straight
Like
at
this?
Neo. Yup, straight at Neo. Yup.
Yeah. All right, Neo, you gotta catch him. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit! Wait. There you go. Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
He dipped. He flew. He flew. I didn't see him.
Clearly, he's not in the vicinity.
Not in the bottle.
If he's somewhere around here, I'm gonna be scared. Well, too bad.
Here for Manansala, signing out. Your turn.
Russell Aaron Manansala, signing out. Your turn.
Ugly. You better not have me recording that.
You sign out.
Oh, fuck that.
Monday morning, rain is falling. Sunday Morning by Maroon 5. Look at this. Look at that guy on the bike. That his dog's been barking. Her voice is gone, bro. Literally. It's been dwindling down ever since Friday. It's Monday. Barking every day.
Jump in.
So,
Jump in the
Wait.
side the way.
Yeah?
Jump inside.
Julie, you can make a scissor photo.
Jump inside the way.
Oh, that's so pretty.
You can look like scissor.
the bridge is so far you can't even see. The famous bridge. To-
Take a picture. He said.
There's no way. They commandeered it.
Yeah.
Mama, why every time?
Why every time?
That's why you can think, right? They remember this one, Julie? It wasn't like this before, right?
Yeah. Now it's like
It's like ugly.
They don't clean it. The weed, the
Oh wait, this used to be like thick concrete at the bottom.
No more anti-tech. Tayo ka nga Kuya Sam.
a mosquito bite.
You're not looking. Oh my god, you got two.
Really?
Yeah, look.
Here, here, and here.
Okay, you wanna be in a selfie? Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay. We outie.
We need an outro.
Oh, yeah, I gotcha.
Oh yeah.
The outro.
So, oh. Wait, so how do they end videos?
And that's the end of
And that's the end of camp in 2024, man. We out, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in another banger video. Alright, guys. Just the Reyes out. To you.
We out. We out.
Dad.
But it's still rolling.
Okay.
Oh, girly. Wait a minute. It's over here. Alright, let's go here. There's the loud dog over there. Oh, Marcus is in the way. Scrunk is barking all night. All day. We done though. But we friends though. But we friends though.
Who put spaghetti on the football? Who put spaghetti on the football?